You are welcome back once again. This is Olasco Trendy Stitches, and today we want to be taking a look at how to change a worn out zip of a trouser. So we'll be using this trouser for the practical, and as you can see, I've already loosened the worn out zip on these particular trousers. So I'll be fixing a new zip to it. So just as you can see it, I have my flap still fixed to the trouser, so it's not affected at all. So what I'll be doing is just to gently fix in my zip through the flap. So we'll be going into that. So I have my overlap flap here, so and I'll be loosening it out to be able to fix the zip to the trousers. So let's quickly do that. Let's lose it and fix the zip to the trousers. So since I have the flap loosened up, this is the underlap. Can you see it here? So I will just put the new zip right under it. Then I will sew through it. Like here is the zip and here is the underlap. Can you see where I've already loosened? So I will just place the zip on this one. I'll put the zip on this one. Then this one will relax on it, and I will top stitch it down to the stopping point here. So that's what we are going to be doing right now. So when placing the zip inside the flap, make sure the metal part of the zip, that is the stopping point of the zip, is not going too much inside of the flap. Like it should not be going to the band area. These are band area. This is the stopping point of the zip should not be going inside the band. So it should just be right before the band. Something like this. Like this. So it should just be somewhere before the band. You get it? So that's how it should be. So once we are done fixing one side of the zip like this, we are done fixing one side of the zip. So we come to the overlap. You just take it out. This is it right here. So this how is going to be like this. So we'll be coming, we just take this one, take it out after losing it from the upper side. The band stitches, you have to remove it. So after removing it, that's when you'll be able to pull it out. So once you pull it out like that, you just stitch your zip. The other side of the zip will just come right on it. You make sure they are matching each other, both the side and the stopping point of this one and the stopping point of this. Make sure they are matching. They must align together for you to get a perfect result. So that's how to go about it. So let's quickly fix this one other side, this other side, and see how we have it. So after stitching it to the overlap of the flap, this is how we are going to be having it. You see, when you zip it up, you have the zip flap covering it. So we just have to pull this one inside. It will go inside. So let's quickly pull it in and see what we are having. After pushing it in, after pushing it in, this is the result. So we just need to stitch the overlap. Then we are done fixing our uh, worn out zip. We need to stitch the band that we lose from the top. So we'll stitch it back. Then we are done with fixing our zip, the worn out zip. So we've already fixed it with a new one. So that's how to do it. So you see it here. And when you zip it up again, it's still going to be giving you a nice result, just like a newly fixed zip. So that's how it's going to be. So if you need more enlightenment, aside from, if this tutorial is not clear enough to you, you can drop your comment and request for a redo. I can take you through it again, so you are covered for that. Feel free to drop a comment, because it will really go a long way to help us do more of this. And don't forget to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.